Ever wondered what it's like to have a Brazilian wax? Listen up. You'll be asked to take your drawers off, and it's not an issue if we do. You're just going to hop onto the couch, pop your feet together, your knees apart in the butterfly pose. You might feel a little bit exposed, but we're not taking any notice. Hot hard wax will go on your down belows, and it will feel a bit odd. In a weird way, you're not sure if you like it or not. The sensation can be warm, but it will never be burning. If it is, then something's wrong with that wax. As it starts to set, it will feel like it's gripping onto that labia. It's an odd feeling, but it's done very quickly. The skin will be stretched and taut, ready for that pull. You're going to hear the handle come up, and you're going to brace yourself and take a deep breath. The moment you take that deep breath, you're either going to experience a staggered pull or a handle and a quick pull. Either way, it's done quickly and you won't even notice. Afterwards, your skin may feel a slight tingle. And when I say tingle, it's like a tremble across the skin. We put our hand against that tremble and place hand pressure over it. This hand pressure is a game changer, and it shouldn't last any longer than 5 to 8 seconds. Once that's done, you're going to start to feel a bit warm and you might feel a little bit sweaty. It's really normal. It's got nothing to do with the pain. And when it comes round to the booty section, listen, the skin is a little bit different to the front. If you've looked, you'll know what I mean. The sensation of the wax will feel slightly warmer, but I promise you, it's not burning no holes here. As quick as the wax goes on, it will be coming straight off, and the sensation is actually a lot more comfortable around the back than it is the front. The process can be done within 10 to 15 minutes. Your drawers will be back on, and no one leaves here walking like John Wayne. Here's some things you didn't realise you needed to hear about your body. First, everyone gets a hairy arsehole. Don't even believe that you don't, because you do. And those that are convinced they haven't, trust me, as a waxer, I know you've got at least 4 that are floating around at the back. Do you know why I'm telling you? It's because I need you to stop stressing over it. Also, there's about probably 75 to 80% of women that have an outie more than they have an innie. Innie, binny, tiny bikini. The next time you're worrying about your flippy, flappy, dangly outies, listen, you're at least one person out of the 80% of women out there. So, honey, you're really normal. Body odour. Yes, it does happen, guys. We all have our own distinctive smell. It would be weird if we're talking about down there and you smelled like cotton fresh Lenore, because if that's the case, medically something's not quite right. So a slight body odour is normal. However, let me just say, if you've got a very distinctive, overpowering smell, especially if it's very fishy. And the reason I say that is because a very strong fishy smell can indicate that you might have BV, bacteria vaginosis, and that comes sometimes from washing too much down there with the wrong products. So no, I won't think you're Waynetta for it, but I will think, hang on, you might need to go to a GP and double check that that's okay.